Hi there, Nutrition 100 students. Sabina Valentine here. Hope you're doing well. So I just wanted to give you a video update. Number one, on September 15th, that's the last day to add and drop classes without getting a W on your transcript for withdraw. So if you want to drop the class, I'm sad to see you go, but that would be the last day before you could drop the class without a W. Secondly, we have office hours this coming Thursday on September 15th, and I will be giving students some practice questions in relation to chapters 3 and 4. These are recorded just in case you can't come. And then in terms of where you should be in the class, you should have done chapters 1, 2, and 3 quizzes, which are only available up until including September 16th. And then you have quiz 4, which is actually starting up on September 15th. So you should be up to around chapter 4 or 5 even by this time period. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Otherwise, have a fabulous day.